its.SHIRAAZ and welcome to my new channel. We are today gonna try the Cypher challenge, which is basically gonna be trying to sing a popular song on random chords that my friend Emily Imes is gonna play. Is gonna play on the piano. She's crazy, she's so good.
That's what he said.
She has like perfect pitch and can I see your superpower? Okay, so she has something called synesthesia, which means that she can see sound. Is that right?
That's correct.
So a G would be like blue, a C would be like whatever she said. But before I have with me Kevin Mercado.
How's it going, guys?
Drea Pierre. Omabolagi Alvaranye. And Danielle Fernandez. I'm like,
It's
lights
hard,
out.
it's hard.
You wanna start?
Under pressure.
Do you want me to?
All this delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me?
I forgot the words.
Alright, everybody's gonna take a turn and try to find like a pop song to get into a random beat that she's gonna make. Like chords. Anyone who has this ball is the one singing. So that's it, let's try again.
Why don't you start?
Yeah, you start. So
Okay. I want your ugly, I want you disease. I want you everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love.
I'm on board. Way above slow and high tempo. Light and dark on camera. Oh, and hello. Seeing the looking kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. While the sun ain't changing the other day, I will call you and say.
Go girl.
None of those walls are built, everything around that I make it to. And what's so crazy, but ain't no nothing.
Blue and red. Okay.
Okay, you guys gotta sing it with me, okay? Because you know it better than I am. Oh, say can you?
Bye.
It's a song, it's a song. It's a song. It's a really famous song.
I was saying happy birthday, so that's all I can remember right now.
You can do happy birthday. Oh, Canada. Sorry. Oh, Canada. Glory to thee. It's Mauritian. Never mind. Let's try it again.
Sorry, huh?
Do that.
Wait for it. It's like a melody in my head, but I can't keep on singing now. Na 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 every day, tell me my heart stuck on replay.
You used to call me on my cell phone. You used to call me on my cell phone.
And there you go. That's all I got.
Oh my God. Oh my God. All I need.
Come and talk to me.
Oh.
Wanna meet you? Can I talk? I forgot the words. I lost it again. Hope we keep going.
This is my
Not
practice.
really sure how to feel about you.
Hey, you move.
Makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
I gotta roll, and I walk it alone. Uphill battle, I look good when I climb. I'm ferocious, precocious, I get precocious. I'm not gonna stop. I like the view from the top. You got the la shit, and I'm so done, I'm so over this. I still fall from my face sometimes, and I can't color inside the lines. No, I haven't seen the best of me. I'm still working on my masterpiece, and
Just want to say, bloggers, that I have to leave. It was very nice working with you, but I will be back and I will remember some songs. And I will miss you dearly, my friend. Nice meeting you.
It's up to it.
I think I don't have lyrics, I don't have a song.
I know a place where the grass is always greener.
Oh, that's
Oh, hey!
California girls wear
first. We got it online.
Oh,
Wait, I thought you were saying fried fresh fish.
Sexy.
Fried fresh fish.
Fried fresh
No,
fish.
there's nothing I feel
Got it.
sexier than like tilapia.
Oh, love it.
Alright guys, so sorry that was a complete shit show, but that's so much fun. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'll link all of those guys, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever social media network they have, in the